Hey guys, it's time to do a speed test comparison between the 7nm boys. We have the Huawei Mate 20 Pro up against the iPhone XS Max. So kicking things off from a boot up comparison, here we go. And okay, Huawei versus Apple. Let's see, Android 9.0 Pie is here on this Crane 980 Beast versus Apple 812 on iOS 12. And let's see, okay, there's this boot up sound. And yes, Huawei Mate 20 Pro actually boots up faster than the iPhone XS Max. Just a split second difference there, but still a win is a win. Alright guys, so both phones are here on the table, fresh. Everything is closed up in the background as you can see. 4 gigs of RAM here versus 6 on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So as always, we'll kick things off with the basic stuff first, that is the phone dialer. Here we go. And as you can see, that was super duper fast on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And of course, with Android 9.0 Pie, you do get a dark UI. So it's looking pretty good here. Next up, we got settings. And again, same result. Ridiculously fast performance here. Let's see if things will change with the third-party applications or not. So first up is Subway Surfers on both phones. And so the iPhone XS Max is still the king when it comes to loading up of Subway Surfers. So first game win goes to the iPhone XS Max. Cora. And faster on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Pinout. And a little bit quicker on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Next we got Smash Hit, another game. And that is exactly same on both phones. Next we got Spotify. And a little bit quicker on the Mate 20 Pro. Next on the list is YouTube. And that's faster on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Asphalt 9, another game. And let's see. Okay, iPhone on the loading screen already. And still taking some time. Huawei is also loading. And okay, iPhone done, faster. Facebook. And faster on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Let's see if we scroll down. About the same time for the video playing as well. Now lastly, we'll be launching cameras on both phones at the same time. Here we go. And I think that was about the same. Maybe the iPhone was slightly quicker. Alright, moving on to the browser war. We have Safari up against the Google Chrome on the Mate 20 Pro. So I'm just going to go here to wwe.com on both phones and see which one is going to be the fastest one here. And as you can see, Huawei Mate 20 Pro is super quick with this website loading time. If we scroll down, both are looking smooth. Let's open a link on both phones. Let's go to the top. Actually, let's just play this video. And that got loaded up a little bit faster on the iPhone. So next on the list is gsmarena.com, and let's see which one is going to be the faster one here. And I think same result. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is faster here. Scrolling looks absolutely smooth. Let's open this article. And quicker on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Now let's check out the RAM management and see if they are holding the apps in the memory or not. First we got phone dialer, that is still there. Settings, Subway Surfers, Cora, Pinout, Smash Hit, still there. So far so good, no refresh at all. Spotify, Instagram, YouTube, Asphalt 9, Facebook. Oh, okay, so the iPhone is still there with the actual feed, but the Huawei Mate 20 Pro actually refreshed its feed. So, yeah, a little bit of a difference there. I don't think it's an actual app refresh. It was just the feed refresh there. I think the app is still in the memory, so that's not going to count as the refresh, in my opinion. We got the browsers, that's still there as well. So absolute perfect RAM management performance on both phones. I gotta say, the iPhone XS Max, the only 4GB RAM phone that can keep these many applications in the memory. As we have seen with the Pixel, it struggles, but iOS is a completely different game. And I can definitely say Huawei Mate 20 Pro is really fast. It was faster than the iPhone XS Max in a lot of applications. Some games are quicker here, but overall, these phones are absolute beast. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about this test, and I will be comparing the Huawei Mate 20 Pro against the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and the Pixel 3 XL, so make sure to subscribe to the channel for that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.